Greetings and thank you for joining me today for this short video on how to install the NetApp SnapCreator framework on Windows. There are a couple pre-installation steps that should be considered before installing SnapCreator. The first is the creation of an ONTAP user for the specific purpose of SnapCreator access. This ONTAP user would have only the roles that SnapCreator itself needs. This prevents use of a user such as root or an actual user account within your environment. The second thing that should be considered is the Java version that is installed. SnapCreator Server uses Java for the GUI interface. SnapCreator requires a minimum of version 1.6. You can check and see if Java is installed by opening up a command prompt and typing in Java-version. You can see by the on-screen example I'm using Java 1.7, which meets the minimum requirements, which was 1.6. Another thing that should be considered is the bit level of Java. If you're using a 64-bit Windows server with 64-bit SnapCreator, you should install 64-bit Java. Looking at the on-screen output, I have 32-bit Java installed. And I know that because it does not mention the bit level explicitly. If you're using 64-bit Java, 64-bit version is explicitly stated in the on-screen output. The next thing we need to do is download SnapCreator Framework. The NetApp SnapCreator Framework is downloaded from now.netapp.com. Once you log into the site, select Downloads and Software. Scroll down the page until you reach the section for NetApp SnapCreator Framework. Select all platforms from the drop-down box and click Go. Select the version you wish to download and click View and Download. Read through the description of SnapCreator, make sure it's what you want, and click Continue. Read and accept the end-user license agreement. And then select the version of SnapCreator that you wish to download for your operating system and bit level. For this video, I'm using a 32-bit version of Windows 2003, so I'll download Windows x86 and save the file. I'm going to open my previously downloaded executable. I'm going to double-click the downloaded file. Click Run, which starts the Framework Setup Wizard. Click Next to begin. Again, read through and accept the end-user license agreement. Click I agree. At this point you have two options. You can install the SnapCreator agent or the SnapCreator server. Technically you have three options. You could install both the agent and the server. If you install the agent, you have an option to start the agent as a service, and you can select a custom port if desired. The default port is 9090. If you wish to use a different port number, change it here. For today's example, I'm going to install the server. I'm going to select Start Server as Service. And again, you have the option to select a custom server port. For the server, this is the port that you access the GUI through. I'm going to select the default of 8080. Once you make your selections, click Next. This profile setup screen will only be seen if server is selected. It will not be seen if agent is selected. That's because at this step we are setting up the GUI profile, the administrative user and password. The first step is the controller serial number. This embeds the serial number into the output for SnapCreator. This is an optional component. I'm not going to put this information in for the demo. For a GUI username, let's select SC user and a password. And I'm going to enable the job monitor. The default size is 100. Next, you can choose the default installation path or select a custom one. Next, you can choose the default start menu folder or set a custom one and click install. Click next. Since I selected a service, it will quickly install the service, so you'll see a command line screen pop up very quickly. Once that's completed, click finish to complete the installation. Since we chose to install a service, that service will now be listed in the services window. It is listed as the SnapCreator server service, or if the agent was installed, it's the SnapCreator agent service. As you can see, this has already been started. To open the SnapCreator GUI, open a web browser. And type in the IP address of the server and the port that was selected during installation. Then provide the credentials and click Connect. And this is the GUI interface for SnapCreator. This completes this short video, how to install NetApp SnapCreator framework on Windows. Keep an eye out for other videos that will be coming soon. Thank you for your time.